HUL, their profits, net profits went down almost 6%. Revenue grew slight growth in revenue at say 3.7%. EBITDA grew 0.3%. The stock today is down almost 1.66%. If you go by segment wise, the beauty and personal care segment actually went down almost 2%. Food and refreshments grew 4% year on year. How does one look at HUL? The worst behind, rural demand likely to go up after elections, and therefore that will help HUL. Given that their GSK GlaxoSmithKline deal has expired, their advertising spends have gone up in the last year. How do you see the mixed bag of HUL?
What exactly I can say in HUL is the previous quarter when the results came and the stock corrected quite a bit, like from the levels of 2500 it almost came to 2350, and then that is when the downtrend for this particular stock has started. And now recently it almost went up to 2170. That was the low which we saw in HUL. So post result there is further correction in the HUL. The trend wise, it is trading in lower top, low bottom structure. So definitely the trend and momentum is weak. What we can say for the HUL is we'll keep a watch on 50-day moving average. The level for the 50-day moving average 2320 mark as of now. So we can talk of bounce as of now for till those point, because the reason why I'm saying bounce, because from the technical perspective, whenever the prices fall one way, it spreads far away from the value of its short and medium term moving average. So in this case of HUL also, the prices are very far from the moving averages. So normally whenever this kind of scenario is there, prices tend to see some bounce back. So I believe with the stop loss of that recent swing low, which is 2170, maybe another 10-15 points lower from those points, with that risk, I think we can look for a trading opportunity. Directionally, we'll take a long bets only when 2350 is taken out and we see very strong closing. Then things might change from the long-term perspective. But then from the trading bet, if somebody wants to take that view, not in the FNO segment, purely from in the cash segment, somebody wants to play that trading opportunity or bounce back trade, then I sense there is one opportunity in HUL with a very strict stop loss below 2170 mark.